Descartes rule. Descartes. Descartes. It's Descartes?
Yes.
Day? No S? We don't say the S?
No.
Descartes.
Oh my gosh.
All right, let's do his rule. Number 79. Now this rule is kind of handy. I mean, like if you're doing this polynomial business a lot, another tool that would help you eliminate possible rational zeros would be really helpful. And this tool actually does that. All right, all you gotta do is this. Oh, snap! All the terms are missing. That's annoying. 5x to the fifth plus 0x to the fourth plus 0x to the third plus 0x squared plus 10x and then plus 0. All right, we don't really need a plus 0, but I'm going to put it there anyways. All right, so Descartes' rule says this. First, just count how many times the sign changes. Do you guys see how many times the sign changes? It doesn't change at all. So, no. So, if there's no change in the signs, that means there's no positive zeros. There's none. Then what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to plug in a negative x to all of these. Now, if I plug in a negative x to all those, I would get negative 5x to the fifth plus 0x to the fourth plus 0x to the third plus 0x squared minus 10x plus 0. Okay, so do you guys see a sign change right here? That's 1. No. 2. 3. So that means there's 3 possible negative zeros. Just, negative numbers. But actually, it's not just 3. Or 1 possible neg 0. So we always count down by 2. So if you get a 3, it could be 3 or 1. If we got a 4, it could be 4, 2, or 0. If we got a 10, no, we'll do 11. If we got 11, then there'd be 11 of them, 9 of them, or subtract 2. What do you get? 7 of them, 5 of them, and so on and so forth. So that's what happens with Descartes' rule. And that's it. That's all you gotta do. This rule only tells you how many total possible positives and total possible negatives. It's helpful. If you go back to some of the other problems and where you had to guess a lot, do Descartes' rule on it, and you can see that you actually eliminate a lot of options. Like if something said they had 0 positive zeros, I'm not gonna try any positive zeros when I'm doing my possible rational zeros. That can save me a lot of time. I mean, a whole minute or something.